nights feel longer without your voice. Your picture's fading on my phone. I walk these streets with half a heart since you decided to go alone. Every cafe knows your name, every song still sounds like you. I smile but deep inside I'm breaking in the quiet truth. They say love survives the distance, but no one tells me how it feels to miss your hands, your breathing, and the way you make me real. So remind me how your love feels when the world keeps pulling you away. Remind me of your arms around me when I'm lonely at the end of the day. If the miles start tearing me apart and my faith begins to bend, just remind me you'll come back to me again. Different skies above your head, different mornings where you are. Yeah, I count the time between our calls like counting lonely stars. I pretend that I'm okay, like this distance doesn't hurt. But every tear I hide at night knows how deep I'm missing you. I'm strong enough to wait for you, but weak enough to cry. Love shouldn't feel this heavy every time I say goodbye.